Hello and welcome to Polyfield. Let's create a baseball today. First, remove this default mesh and take a UV sphere. Let's split it in half. So go to the edit mode and change the view x-axis. Select this half. If all is selected, no, it's not. Let's enable the X-ray mode and change this to edge mode. Change the view and select this half. Okay, some vertices are not selected. Let's expand the selection by pressing Ctrl plus. Now separate it by pressing P and select the selection. Okay, go to the object mode. Now rotate any of one. In a y-axis, press R, Y and 90. Okay, we rotated it. Now join them together again. Select all, Ctrl J. Okay, they are joined, and go to the edit mode again, and you can see we have a double loop here, one for the left side and one for the right side. So let's merge both of them. Select all by pressing A and press M to merge. Select by distance, and we have removed 32 vertices. Okay, they are joined. Now let's separate these in two halves, one this side and one from that side. So before that, let's take a path for the stitches. So we need a middle one. So which one is the middle? Let's, if we ignore this, count this one: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So the middle one should be in fourth place. So count again: 1 2 3 4. This is the middle vertex. Select this one, copy by pressing Shift D, and we have a copy of it. Left click to release and separate it by pressing P and select the selection. Now go to the object mode. Let's rename this to stitch line. I don't know if the spelling is correct. Okay, hide it for now. So we need to split it. Select this, go to the edit mode. Now select this one, select the whole line by pressing Alt and click. Now let's expand the selection by pressing Ctrl plus. 1 2 3 4. Okay, maybe I have selected half. Let's separate it by pressing P and select the selection. Okay, go to the object mode again. Now we have two parts, this one and this one. So a baseball has a seam here. So let's extrude it a little to have a visible seam. First, hide this, select this one, go to the edit mode and select the outer one. Now press E to extrude and S to scale. Not too much, we need a little one. And add a loop cut here to this way we can have a sharp seam. It's done. Let's go to the object mode, hide this one this time and show this one. Let's do the same for this one too. Go to the edit mode, select this one, E to extrude, S to scale, and a little bit, and take a loop cut, click and move it to the edge a little. Okay, that's fine. Now go to the object mode again. Let's show this. Okay, shade smooth this one and this one, and add subdivision surface modifier. Change it to 2. Do the same here. Change it to 2. Okay, now we have a visible seam, so it's a time for the stitches. We have the stitches line. Now we need stitches or threads. There are a different way you can achieve this. Most of the time people use curve from here, add some curve, some bezier curve, and sometimes bezier curve is very hard to maintain or maybe tricky if you are not much familiar with it or you don't have much practice. It's very hard to give it a good shape. So I found a better solution. Let's do it. If you like this one, you can follow it, or if you're expert in curve, you can use the curve. So do it in other way. Let's do it first. Hide this two mesh for convenient. Take a cylinder. Oh, it's too big. Let's make it smaller. This size is okay, I think. We can resize it later. Go to the edit mode. Copy this one. Press A. It's already selected. Shift D and move it this way. Press Y to move it in the Y axis. Maybe this far is okay. Now take another. Shift D and press Y again and try to take it in the middle. I think it's fine. Let's change this view and rotate it and take it little top. So we have to rotate it in the x-axis, R, X, and just type 90. Enter and let's move it upward. G, Z, upward. This might be fine. Okay, now let's join these two edge. Select them. Let's enable the X-ray mode. Select the two faces and bridge edge loops. And go to this tab. Take 8 cards. 8 cards will be okay, I think. Yeah, it's fine. Now reduce the smoothness to give it a good shape. It will be fine for our. Okay, nice. Now let's do it here. Bridge edge loop and give it 8 cards. Change the view. Yeah, it's fine. Now this is 1 stitches. So a baseball has 2 stitches in 2 sides, one this side and one this side, and they are like a little angle. And let's copy this one and move here and rotate it. We have to make it look like an angle. Go to the z-axis, rotate this in z-axis, R, Z, and this one will be fine, I think. Okay, let's move it in the y-axis. Okay, now we have to move it more. R, Z, C, Y. Okay, this shape will be okay, I think. Let's attach it with this. Press Z and Shift Z to extrude the Z-axis from moving. Okay, this shape is okay, I think. Let's go to the X-axis. It went little down. Let's make it up. G, Z. Sorry, I did not selected it. G, Z, and sorry. We are in the object mode. Let's undo it. Why are we in the object mode? Okay, now we are in the edit mode. We have to do it in the edit mode. So both of them will be a single mesh. Select them all, Shift D, and move it in the y-axis. Okay, nice. Now rotate this. R, Z, This one will be fine, I think. I'll move it and attach it with this one. G and Shift Z to extrude the Z axis. This shape will be okay. X, yeah, let's move it this side. Okay, it will be okay, I think. Now go to the object mode and shade smooth. And if you want, you can add subdivision modifier, but I think it's not necessary because the thread will become very small. We have to make it smaller too. This maybe more. Okay, this will be okay, I think. Now add an array modifier. Okay, make it to 50 for now. We can change the value later. So it's aligned in wrong way. Let's rotate this. We have already selected it. Now press R and Z. No, we have to go to the edit mode, select all, R and Z. Okay, the alignment is okay. Now add a curve modifier, deform and curve modifier, rotate it in the Z axis so that this one will be facing to the ball. Now select our curve. We forgot to convert this to curve. Now this is a mesh. Let's convert this to curve. Select it, right click and convert to curve. Okay, now we can select it here. Click the eyedropper and select this one. Okay, what did we do wrong? X, okay, I think we have to do in the x-axis. It's facing the wrong way. Let's try -x. No, let's keep it in the x way and rotate the stitches. Let's select this one, go to the edit mode, press A, and let's just rotate it in 180 degree. X and 180. Okay, and enable this one, enable the edit mode to see what we are doing. And another problem, this one is wrongly aligned. Go to the object mode and select this one. Maybe our origin is wrong. If we go to the edit mode, oh no, I can't select the origin. Okay, anyway, let's move the origin to the 3D cursor. Select this one, go to the object, set origin to 3D cursor. Now we have to move this geometry to origin. It's already selected. Click the object and set origin geometry to origin. Okay, now our geometry has moved to the origin. Now it's correctly aligned. Let's show these two sides of the ball. And okay, now it's wrongly aligned. It's not attaching with the ball correctly. Select this one. We have to rotate it again. Tap, select it and rotate it in the x-axis maybe. Press R to rotate X, and yeah, it's in the right direction. It's going to the right direction. Okay, it's attached fine. Now maybe we have some little gap here. Let's disable this X-ray mode. Yes, we have to make it little down. Let's enable this one so we can see the thread. We have already selected it and we have to move it this way. So let's press G and move it this side. It's too much, I think. Okay, it's okay. You can adjust your own threads. It's all about practice. Sometimes maybe you have to spend a lot of time. So this one is closed. I think it's okay for our tutorial. Let's go to the object mode, and we have to increase the stitches. So let's increase this count until it's matched to the end. Did I take too much? Yeah. Okay, 92 is perfect for us. So this is our ball. Let's give it some color. The baseball is white. We just need to color the stitches. So go to the material and give it a red color. Okay, it's fine. If you think the stitches are small, you can always make it bigger. Go to the edit mode and press A to select the whole stitch, the thread we have made, and S, and you can scale it up. Yeah, it's bigger now. So when we make it bigger, there is a problem that the stitches might be overlap with one another. I can't see any problem here. So if I can see it's overlapping, I have to reduce the count. Okay, 66 is fine. So this is our baseball. Hide this stitch line, we don't need it. Hide this from the render mode 2, so it will not be in the render after the render, and give it some good lighting. Take a surface, go to the mesh and plane, make it bigger, and let's move it upward. Oh, it's not working. It's not working. It's not moving or rotating. We need to apply the modifiers for the threads. So where is the mesh of the thread? Here, this one. So let's apply them. And there is one thing you have to apply by the sequence. If you apply this curve, the design will break. So let's select apply the array first, apply it, and apply the curve. And now we can join them together. And before joining, let's apply the subdivision too. Now select both of them and the stitches, and let's press Ctrl J. Yeah, oh sorry, actually we have to give them some material, so it will not the material from the thread. Okay, it's white, it's okay. Let's do the same for it. It's already white. Now let's join them. Now it's okay. Let's select this, repeat, rotate it. Now there will be no gap. So let's move it little upward. G and Z, it's going up. And let's create a good environment. Select this mesh, the surface, and go to the edit mode and extrude it a little up for the background, and select this one and give it a bevel. Ctrl B, slide and swap your mouse wheeler to give it a nice shape. go to the edit mode and let's change our camera. Go to the camera view, press shift in the tail button and move the camera using keyboard. This one will fine. Let's move the ball to the more right and move it to G and Y to make it more big. S to scale, Y to scale in the Y axis. Okay, it will look nice, I think. Let's keep some lighting here and this side and the front side. As I told, I always like the area light. GZ this way, and now rotate to the axis 90, move it backward, CY, give it a color of 20. The lighting is falling in the floor, so let's rotate it more little upward, or X. Okay, this one will fine. Maybe we can move this light slightly here. GZ, oh sorry, GY. Okay, let's take another one here too. GY this time, sorry, RY, and 90, move it this way, GX, and move it little up, GZ. Let's move it more back and give it some more power. Let's make it 100. Go to the camera view. I think it's looking fine. So guys, this is our baseball. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and please do comment if you need any specific tutorial, and let me know what you need or how you like it. And thank you for watching again. See you later.